Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Discord appearance on Discord on your mobile application of Discord. It is pretty easy and I'm going to show how you can do it. Discord's a new appearance is not the best for a lot of people, so I'm going to show you from where you can change it. So first of all, you're going to open Discord. Now from there you're going to be on the servers section. You're going to go out of the servers and then you're going to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Okay, once you click on it, you're going to click on the settings wheel in the top right corner. Once from there, you're going to navigate all the way down until you find something called appearance. And from there, you are in appearance and you can customize, have all these customizations. You can change the appearance from dark to light to midnight, whatever you want, and you have a bunch of different options, but you need a nitro and all the other customizations that you can do, such as like classic chat text size, the zoom level, and other stuff. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.